What is happening, guys? It's Charles and Chargers back with another box break today. Going to be 2020 Series 2 Baseball Hobby Box. Did open a jumbo. Check out the video I just put up before this one. See what I got out of that. Just a quick heads up, at least in my box, you do not get a complete set in the jumbo. So if you like putting a set together like I do, keep that in mind. This here looking for one auto or relic. My jumbo box, my relics were actually pretty cool. And I'm not one that's for relics too much, to be honest with you. But I was happy with my relics. So this is 24 packs, 14 cards per. Got your one silver pack in the hobby box. Alright, there we go. Box is empty. Set that off to the side. And let's do it. Okay, Scope, Adrianza. I've already seen a couple names I didn't see in the jumbo. Pollock, Bednar, Tuviala, Rowan Wick. First pack, beautiful. Luis Robert. I watched a video with his name pronunciation, and it's like Rober. It's different. Cole Tucker, Stomont, Zach Eflin, Yu Chang. These are awesome. I love these cards. Christian Yelich, 2030. Travis d'Arnaud. And Stevie Wilkerson. Those 2030 cards are really cool. That's an insert set I might actually try and put together, and I generally don't do that. But I'm really that impressed with them. Wade Miley, Wilson Contreras, Trevor Story, Lance Lynn, Carlos Martinez, Jeff Mathis. And this is another thing, if I read it correctly, this is the first time Topps has ever done this. They put the inaugural season stamp on the Rangers cards for their new ballpark. I think I read that's the first time they've ever done that, so something cool. Nick Whitgren, Yan Gomes, Josh Reddick, Martin Maldonado, Jake Cave. All right, got a Barry Larkin. Not numbered. Dylan Bundy. No relation to Al. Eugenio Suarez. So I like Topps doing, a few different things this year. With their, whether it be just something simple like that stamp for the Rangers cards, the tins and the retail. So they're getting a little creative this year. It's cool. Elvis Luciano, Jake Odorizzi, Alex Cobb, Cincinnati's team card, Manny Margot, Tommy Canley, Randy Dobnak, Mitch Keller, Danny Mendick, Francisco Mejia, David Robertson, Jake Fraley rookie, and this is going to be the Stars and Stripes version, numbered 18 of 76. Would have been cool if it was 17 of 76. Yeah. Jake Fraley rookie, so that's pretty cool. Ryan McMahon and Bruce Dark Gratterall. I'm just happy we got another Robert right out of the gate. I did get him in the jumbo. So I have one for the set and one for probably PSA. All right, Kevin Kiermaier, Chatwood, San Francisco's team card. Revved Up, that's a cool shot. Eaton and Kendrick. Zanino, Keon Kella, Kyle Garlick, Vince Vasquez, John Birdie, Chad Pinder, Jake Fraley, Warriors of the Diamond, Justin Verlander, Michael Taylor, and Victor Robles, Rookie Cup. This is not the strongest checklist. If you haven't seen it yet, I'll say that much. But, you know, some of these rookies, I mean, you just, other than Robert, I mean, he's the biggest one to chase, but you don't know how they'll pan out, you know. So, Garrett Stubbs, Yu Darvish, Jonathan Hernandez, Jack Mayfield, Michael Waka, Dakota Hudson, Pablo Lopez, Yoenis Cespedes. This is not a short print. It ends in 099. Yeah, that's just a really cool shot, but it's not a short print. Daniel Norris, Tanner Rourke, Jordan Luplow, Players of the Decade, Mike Trout, which I believe he's the insert set, if I remember correctly. Altuve, Elvis Andrus. I like that. That's really cool. I'm anxious to see the Rangers' new ballpark. I went last year for opening weekend against the Cubs. When it was the last season of the, you know, the one they just closed up. And, man, beautiful park. Gorgeous. It's a shame they had to rebuild. Maikel Franco, Ender Inciarte, Drew Steckenrider, Rougned Odor, Sam Gaviglio, Brett Phillips, Julio Urias, Jacob Eunice, Adrian Hauser, Wilson Ramos, Luis Urias. It's kind of cool, Milwaukee uniform. Oh, that's cool. Dale Murphy. Dale Murphy throwback. Tony Walters. And Avi Garcia. Avisail. He's pronounced it a couple different ways. Just depends on what, at the time, what White Sox announcer was saying his name. Dexter Fowler. Brian Goodwin. Dylan Moore. My boy Sogard. I love that picture. That's a pretty cool pick. I'm going to set him aside because he goes to my PC. Stephen Piscotty. Hunter Harvey. Trevor Williams. Lamont Wade Jr. Denelson Lamet. King Felix. Weird seeing him in a Braves uniform. G-Man Choi. Mookie Betts, 2030. Jose Trevino. And Tom Murphy. It's cool. I've gotten different 2030 insert cards so far from what my jumbo box was. If I'm going to get a dupe, I kind of hope it's Bo Bichette, honestly. We'll see. Let's press on. Chris Shaw. Pedro Severino. Victor Reyes. Luis Severino. Willie Calhoun. Andrew Knapp. Chad Wallach. Sean Manaea. Willie Castro. Noah Syndergaard. Brett Gardner. Decade's Best Award winners. Pedro. Steven Strasburg. And Charlie Blackmon. And Kyle Friedland draws the 666 this year. A couple of years ago, it was Sogard. All right, Corey Kluber. That's another weird one, seeing him in a Rangers uniform. Pedroia. Justin Upton. Anthony Desclafani. Danny Duffy. Austin Romine. Michael Brantley. McCullers. DeShields. Adam Eaton. Oh, nice. I don't even scratch him. It goes to the PC. But Anthony Rizzo, home run derby. Or home run challenge, I mean. Sweet. If you watch my channel, you know that's my main guy to collect. So, very happy to get that one. Tampa Bay, foil team card. Blake Snell. Logan Webb and Kyle Freeland. I've never scratched those home run challenge cards, but You do get, if you get it right, you do get a, it's like a gold foil card or like a gold color card, something like that. I have a couple of them. I just don't remember. Nomar Mazara, Kevin Cron, Padres team card with Tatis, Bamba Brothers, Cruz and Sano, J.A. Happ, Brendan Rodgers future star, Colin Moran, Rangel Ravello, I may have said that first name wrong, Caratini, Shun Yamaguchi, Cal Quantrill, Robbie Cano, throwback, Rio Ruiz, and Pujols. So hopefully between this and the jumbo, I got the set. I already got the main double I wanted, which was Rober's rookie. So, all right, Carlos Carrasco, Josh James, Three's Company, Andrews Calhoun, welcome Gallo home. Probably after Gallo hit a bomb. Rich Hill, Dickerson, Yanni Chirinos, Shin-Soo Choo, Hazley, Martin Maldonado, Phillip Ervin, Teoscar Hernandez. Looks like he's getting ready to barehand that. I know he's probably shield. Well, I wouldn't say he's shielding himself from the sun, but I don't know. Unless the dome's open. All right, Ryan McMahon. And this will be 1365 out of 2020. Gold card. Shed Long. And Jurickson Profar. All right, this pack here will put us halfway through. I'm going to try and pick up the pace a little bit more here. Be close to half an hour if I don't. Okay. McKinney, Keuchel, Justin Dunn, Diaz, Gallagher, Stripling, J.D. Davis, Voth, Green, Fernandez, Didi, Player of the Decade Trout, youngest 2040 member. That'd be another cool set to put together. New York State of Mind, Judge and Sanchez, and Mark Melancon. Okay. Guzman, Plesac, Robbie Ray, Sox team card, Robertson, Zanino, Keon Kella, Garlic, Velazquez, John Birdie, foil of Willie Castro rookie card, Nolan Arenado, 2030, Danny Jansen, Spencer Turnbull. Okay, nope, just a base. Trying to keep an eye out for the variation. I can't guarantee you there is one in a hobby box. I don't remember. Leak, Castro, Seattle's team card, KB, Pinder, Fraley, Waka, Hudson, Lopez, Cespedes, Norris, Jeff McNeil, Ramirez, and Jason Hayward. Now in the jumbos, all the inserts are actually in the back of the pack this time. At least in my box, they were. All the all the insert cards were the back of the pack instead of the middle like usual. All right, which I found weird. Herrera, Taylor, Robert Duggar, Leyba, Rourke, Luplow, Gavilio, Phillips, Sirius, Eunice, Hauser. Got a gold Junior Fernandez rookie, 1790 out of 2020. Nunez and Ivan Nova. Stephen Vogt, Sims, Max Fried, Rodriguez, Ramos, Urias, Piscotti, Hunter Harvey, Williams, Wade Jr., Lamet, Decade's Best, George Foster, best batters of the 70s. Nice Freddie Freeman. I like the throwback Braves. And Fultonevich. I'm glad I got that Freeman, so I got one for my box and one for the set. All right. Morton, Brault, Sano, Perez, Felix, Choi, Calhoun, Knapp. Really hope I get the McCutch short print card. That's pretty cool. Wallach, Manea, Castro, Syndergaard, Oberg, and Tapia. I guess that card's kind of, the Kutch short print's kind of red hot. Just 'cause it's a cool shot and it's Kutch and he's cool. Walker Buehler. Like that shot of Mark Canha too. That'll go to my PC. I got him in the jumbo box. It's just a cool shot of him. Set him aside. Myers, Gardner, Duffy, Romine, Brantley, McCullers, DeShields, Eaton, Ketel Marte, throwback, Gio, and Colton Wong. Now, if I do happen to skip by a short print or a numbered card, I go back through and number, get everything number order and all that, so I'd see it anyway. Porcello, Nemo, Newman, O'Grady, Happ, Rogers, Moran, Ravello, Caratini, Yamaguchi, Quantrill, nice Juan Soto, 2030. Kwang Hyun Kim and Ronaldo Lopez. That's the first I've seen of him in both boxes. So I know he's new to me. Nice Albies, Slater, Cole, Duvall, Dickerson, Chirinos, Chu, Hazley, Irvin, Hernandez, Gallagher, significant stats, pitch framing should be Austin Hedges. Yep, Austin Hedges for the Padres. Colby Allard and Clint Frazier. All right, down to the final 4 packs, and okay, this will be our, this will be a relic card. I was just about to say, still looking for the hit. All right, there we go. Did not see the name, it's a jersey piece. All right, Soler, Stanton, O's team card, Rangers team card, Stripling, Davis, Voth, Green, Junior Fernandez, McCann, Eshelman, and, oh, okay, it's Miggy. Major League Material, Miguel Cabrera. I can't argue with that. I like Miggy. Not numbered or anything, just about as plain as you could get. Napkin piece, base. As basic as you can get, but it's Miggy, so that's all right. I'm cool with that. I'm no sense in complaining. Don't really have a lot of choice anyway. All right. Bradley. Snell. Walk-off winner. That's a cool one. I'll be keeping that one. Akiyama. Didi. Rios. Naylor. Wainwright. Romo. Lowe. Antavino. Springer throwback, Kian Wong, and Joey Wendell. All right, last 2 packs, and then we got our silver pack here. Sorry, it's a long video for just a hobby box. Hayes or Hearn. Seth Mahias Brienne. I probably just butchered the snot out of that name. Mike Ford. Carter Kieboom. Diaz. Griffin Canning. Lorenzo Cain. Barreto. Joe Jimenez. Brusdar Graterol. Okay, there's our... cool, at least they turned it backwards. That's going to be our variation. And he ends... it's not going to focus on it. There it is. 115. So the variation will end in 115. And it's a rookie variation too, so that's cool. Brusdar Graterol. Foil, Justice Sheffield. Cole Hamels. And Braves New World. Albies and Acuna. That's a cool card. That's the first I've seen of that one. Kind of wish I got a double of that one. All right, last pack. All right, Ian Happ, Andahar. That's the first I've seen of those two. Jacob Stallings, Astudillo, Ross, Tyler Mahle, Barucki, Trevino, James Marvel, Yandy Diaz. Tops now, Alvarez and Alonso, Rookie of the Year award winners. I still say it's kind of a waste of a card, but what can you do? LA Dodgers, 80s best team. Decade's best, I mean. Nick Ahmed and Eric Hosmer. All right, we'll recap this right quick, and then we will do the silver pack. The hit was a Miggy jersey. The home run challenge was Rizzo. Got the Luis Robert. The variation was Brusdar Graterol. The couple numbered cards. Okay, I got 3 gold cards. Scratch that, 2 gold cards. And then the Independence Day. 18 out of 76, Jake Fraley, rookie. And then my favorite set, the 2030. I got Soto, Arenado, Mookie Betts, and Yelich. And then, all right, let's do the silver pack here. And they're actually silver this year, first time. Okay, not going to be any big ones. Or colored. Sam Hilliard. Chipper Jones, that's cool. Yadier Molina, why not? I pull them all the time. And Chappie. That's cool. None will be numbered. No. All right, so that wraps it up, guys. Thanks for watching my Hobby Box Break, 2020 Series 2 baseball. So what do you guys think of Series 2? I thought it was kind of a weaker checklist, but still some cool stuff to be pulled. So, what do you guys think? Like, comment, drop a comment in there, subscribe. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thanks for watching, and talk to you later.